Welcome back to Grammar Grade 6. This is Unit 6, Lesson 36, and today we're going to make our adverbs do something really useful: compare. When two runners cross the finish line, or three singers hit a note, adverbs let us say who did it faster, or who did it the most beautifully. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly which form to reach for. Let's dive in. First, let's remember what an adverb does. An adverb tells us how an action happens, like slowly, or loudly, or quickly. Now, sometimes we want to line up one action next to another. That's where comparing comes in. And there are two levels. When we compare exactly two actions, we use the comparative form. When we compare three or more actions, we use the superlative form. So here's your very first move on any question. Count the actions. 2 means comparative. 3 or more means superlative. Let's start with the biggest group, adverbs that end in ly, like quickly. Most of these are a little long, so we don't add letters to the end of them. Instead, we put a helper word in front. To make the comparative, we say more quickly. To make the superlative, we say most quickly. So the pig-tailed clown packs her bag more quickly than her partner, but the ringmaster packs up everyone the fastest. Same pattern works for softly, gently, and carefully. More gently, most gently. But a few short adverbs work differently. If the adverb has just one syllable, like fast, we don't reach for more or most. Instead, we tack an ending right onto the word. Add er for the comparative, faster. Add est for the superlative, fastest. So a hummingbird flaps faster than a robin, but of all the birds at the feeder, the hummingbird flaps fastest. Notice we would never say more fast or most fast. Short adverbs keep it simple with their own endings. Here's another handy short adverb, soon. Because it's just one syllable, it follows the very same est pattern. The comparative is sooner, and the superlative is soonest. So the early bus arrives sooner than the late one, and of all three buses, the express arrives soonest. A couple more short adverbs behave this way too, like hard becoming harder and hardest, and high becoming higher and highest. Once you spot a one-syllable adverb, trust the endings. When you use a comparative to compare two actions, there's a little word that almost always tags along, than. It's the word that links the two things you're comparing. Listen, Leo skated faster than Mia. That than tells us exactly which two skaters were weighing against each other. Here's another. Our team practiced more often than theirs. If you ever write a comparative and there's no than in sight, pause and check that you really are comparing just two things. Now the big trap, the one that trips people up the most. You only get to compare once. That means you never use more together with an er ending, and you never use most together with an est ending. So more faster is wrong, because faster already does the comparing all by itself. Just say faster. And most soonest is wrong too, because soonest is already the superlative. Just say soonest. Pick one tool for the job, not two. Let's boil all of that into a quick 3-step check. Step 1. How many actions am I comparing? 2 or 3 plus? 2 means comparative. 3 plus means superlative. Step 2. Is the adverb short or does it end in ly? Short adverbs take er or est. Ly adverbs take more or most. Step 3. Did I compare only once? Make sure I didn't accidentally stack more with an ending. Count, pick the form, then check once. Ready to practice together? In this first set, read each sentence and decide whether it needs the comparative form for 2 actions or the superlative form for 3 or more. Pause the video and try each one yourself before I reveal the answer. Owen finished the puzzle blank than his sister. How many people are being compared here? Just 2, Owen and his sister. And notice the word than. 2 actions plus than means we want the comparative. Since quickly is an ly adverb, we say more quickly. So the answer is more quickly. Of all the swimmers, Dana dived blank. The phrase of all the swimmers tells us there are more than 2 people in this comparison. 3 or more means superlative. Since gracefully ends in ly, the superlative is most gracefully. So the answer is most gracefully. The blue train arrived blank than the red one. 2 trains are being compared, and there's our friend then again. 2 actions means comparative. Soon is a short 1-syllable adverb, so it adds er, giving us sooner. So the answer is sooner. Now let's hunt for errors. Each sentence has an adverb form that might be wrong. Decide which choice is actually correct. Pause and try each before I answer. The cheetah runs blank of all the big cats. The phrase of all tells us this is a superlative, 3 or more. Now, fast is a short adverb, so it never uses more. It takes an ending instead. The superlative of fast is fastest, so the answer is fastest. Nadia sang blank than she did last year. 2 performances are compared, so we want the comparative. Beautifully is an ly adverb, which means it uses the helper word more. We just say more beautifully. The other choice tries to add an ending on top of more, and that's the double comparison trap. So the answer is more beautifully. That reached the shelf blank than his last jump. We're comparing 2 jumps, and there's than, so this is a comparative. High is a short adverb, so it adds er, not most. The correct form is higher, so the answer is higher. Let's wrap up what we learned. Adverbs can compare actions. The comparative weighs 2, and the superlative weighs 3 or more. Short 1-syllable adverbs add er and est, while longer ly adverbs use more and most. Remember to pair the comparative with the word than, and never compare twice by stacking more with an ending. Count the actions, pick the right form, and check yourself once. Nice work today. I'll see you in the next lesson.